Welcome to our channel. Today we're making a classic French dish, gratin dauphinoise. With its creamy and smooth texture, it's the perfect side dish for your meals. And it's so easy to make. So, let's get started. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Peel the potatoes and cut them into thin slices, about 1/8 of an inch thick, using a mandolin. In a saucepan, heat the heavy cream, milk, and the rest of the crushed garlic that we use to rub the baking dish. Add salt, white pepper, and a pinch of nutmeg. When the mixture is hot, pour the potato slices in and cook until you can easily pierce them with the tip of a knife. Pour everything into a baking dish that we have rubbed with garlic and greased with butter. Bake until the top is golden brown. Thank you for watching our recipe for the perfect gratin dauphinoise. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes. See you soon for new culinary adventures. Enjoy your meal and see you next time.